Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum to all students. Our topic now is 5.3 derivative of exponential functions. Okay, now we begin with the formula for the exponential function. Okay, if you see the function in terms of like this, okay, fx equal to c power of v. Now we have here, this is c is a constant, v is the variable. Okay, you have to use this formula, alright, to solve the question. Alright, so when we use formula for the exponential function is f prime x equal to c power of v, meaning that you have to just you have to copy, okay, all terms for the function c power of v, and then ln c. Okay, ln c, here you have to take c and put it here, ln c, and v prime. Okay, you have to differentiate the variable. Okay, this you have to memorize because of in final exam formula is not provided. Okay, now just a simple this one example. Okay, just a simple question. Identify whether it is an exponential function or not. Okay, now we have 4 questions. Okay, number 1, fx equal to 2 power of x. Okay, and number 2 we have fx equal to x square. So which one, okay, between these two is a exponential function? Okay, the answer is this one. This one, number 2 is not, because of now we have in terms of c power v, our c is now 2 and then v is x. And why this is not an exponential function for number 2? Because of this one considered as we have to apply power rule, okay, to solve this question, where to differentiate this we just bring 2 to the front, and then power you have to deduct by 1. The answer is only 2x. Alright, so if you see pattern for number 1, you have to follow the formula. Okay, later we try to solve. Okay, and then number 3, okay, y equal to e power of 2x. Is it exponential function? The answer is yes, because of constant in terms of, okay, e is a constant. Okay, you can press your calculator and get the value, and the variable is 2x. And number 4, we have hx equal to x power of 2 pi. So is it exponential? The answer is no. Okay, to differentiate this, okay, you just bring, okay, now the exponent is 2 pi and then x, okay, power we deduct 1. Okay, this is how we solve, okay, using power rule. And then for number 1 and 3, you have to use the formula above. Alright, okay, example 1, differentiate fx equal to e power of x. Okay, remember the formula. Let's say we have here fx equal to c power of v. Okay, to differentiate this, you have to just copy the first one, and then ln c, and then v prime. Okay, so meaning that we have 3 steps. Okay, apply into this question. Okay, f prime x equal to, okay, you have to copy cv, meaning that c, okay, e power of x, and then ln c, our c now is e, and then x prime, okay, x, differentiate x, we get 1. Okay, simplify this, the answer is, okay, ln e, if you press your calculator for ln e, the answer is 1. Okay, you can just test by pressing the calculator. So this one, the answer only e power of x. Okay, so now we move to example 2. F prime x equal to, okay, now you have to apply product rule, because of this is f and then this is g. Okay, remember the formula for product rule is f g prime plus g f prime. Okay, so apply to this one, we get f prime f x square, and then g prime, okay, g prime, this e power of x, you have to apply exponential function, okay, the formula. So now we know that when we differentiate e power of x, we also get the same thing, e power of x. Okay, plus, okay, and then g e power of x f prime, okay, differentiate x square, so we get here 2x. Okay, simplify this, x power of 2 e power of x plus 2x, and then e power of x. Okay, this is the answer for number 2. Okay, question number 3. gt equal to e power of t plus 2, okay, in bracket power of 3 over 2. So this one you have to apply chain rule. Okay, inside the chain rule, okay, we have to solve by using exponential function formula. Right. Okay, now we solve this one. Okay, apply chain rule. Remember the 4 step. Okay, bring 3 over 2 to the front, and then copy all terms inside the bracket, and then 3 over 2 minus 1 the power, and then last step you have to differentiate terms inside the bracket. So differentiate e power of t, we will get the same thing, e power of t plus 0. Okay, plus differentiate 2, we get 0. So simplify this one, we get here 3 e power of t divided by 2, and then e power of t plus 2 power of 1 over 2. Okay, that's all. This is how we solve the exponential function. We differentiate the exponential function. Okay, number 5. Okay, differentiate fx equal to e power of 2x. Okay, differentiate this. What you get? Okay, remember formula c power of v. Just copy the term, and then second step ln c. Our c now is e, and then next step, okay, differentiate v. So differentiate 2x. We get here 2. So meaning that you have to multiply all. Okay, when we simplify 2 e power of 2x, because of ln e is equal to 1. Okay. Okay, number 5 question is y equal to e power of negative 3x. Okay, differentiate this. Okay, you can write dy over dx equal to, okay, copy all terms c power v, and then ln c now e. Okay, and then b prime, differentiate negative 3x. So we get here negative 3. Simplify this, we get here negative 3 e power of negative 3x. Okay, that's all. This is the answer. Okay, next is number 6. Okay, the question is gt equal to 6e power of 2t power of square plus 1. Alright, so now you have to identify which one is constant, which one is variable. So now the constant, okay, our constant is 6e, alright, not e. Okay, okay, our constant now is 6e, where okay, don't forget, because of okay, this is our variable 2t square plus 1. Okay, because of most of the students get confused, because of now we have 6e, the student only take e. Alright, the student just confused with the value e power of 2t plus 1. So now this one will be our constant 6e. Okay, to solve this, g prime t equal to, okay, remember now this is constant. Alright, our constant now is 6. Alright, you have to copy the term where only e power of 2t plus 1. Okay, now question number 6, we have gt equal to 6e power of 2t square plus 1. Okay, now can you just identify which one is cv? Okay, c power of v. So this one, our c is e, okay, and v is 2t square plus 1. So what is 6? Okay, 6 you just let it be and put it down. Alright, so now the one that we have to use formula only this part. Okay, e power of 2t square plus 1. Alright, okay, don't get confused, because of c, this one must contain only one term. Okay, for this question c is only e. Okay, to solve this, g prime t is equal to, okay, 6. Remember, we just put it down for the constant, and then the one that we use formula, e power of 2t plus 1. Okay, this is the first step. Second one, ln e. And the last one, differentiate variable, differentiate 2t square, so we get here 4t plus differentiate 1, we get 0. Okay, simplify this, the value is 6 e power of 2t square plus 1, and then here we have 4t. Alright, okay, now let's say if you want to simplify this, okay, you can just multiply 6 with 4, so we get here 24t, and e power of 2t square plus 1. Okay, that's all. This is the answer, okay, for number 6. Okay, now example 7. Question is gt equal to e power of t divided by e power of t plus e power of negative t. Okay, to solve this, we have to apply quotient rule. Okay, second, inside the quotient rule, we can see that we have here exponential function, right? Okay, so apply formula for exponential function, right, where we have here okay, for this term exponential. So now solve this, g prime t is equal to, okay, remember the formula, g f prime, okay, differentiate e power of t, we get the same thing, e power of t minus g f prime, and then f, okay, differentiate this part, the value is remember step by step, differentiate e power of t, we get the same thing, e power of t. Okay, and then the second one, when e power of negative t plus e power of negative t, okay, ln e, we get 1, differentiate negative t, we get negative 1. Okay, so divide by, divide by g square, so e power of t plus e power of negative t square. Alright, now so we try to simplify, so e power of t plus e power of negative t minus this one, we get e power of t, okay, inside the bracket we get e power of t minus e power of negative t, okay, divide by e power of t plus e power of negative t square. Okay, that's all. This is the solution. Okay, if we try to solve this, okay, you try to expand each term, okay, e t multiply e t, so get e to t plus e power of t multiply negative t, means that the exponent we add, so we get e power of 0, okay, minus, okay, for this part e power of 2t, okay, minus we get positive, and then e power of 0, okay, so divide by e power of t plus e power of negative t square. So now we can just cross because of minus, and then e power of 0 we get 1, okay, 1 plus e power of 0 get 1, so the answer is 2 over e power of t plus e power of negative t square. Okay, this is the solution for number 7.